Do you want to replace the brewing unit of your coffee machine? Follow these steps to fix it in no time. What do you need? A new brewing unit. Step 1. Remove the water tank. In most machines, the brewing unit is located behind the tank on the side. Pull the tank forward to remove it. Step 2. Take out the old brewing unit. Open the flap behind the tank and press the 2 red buttons. Carefully pull the brewing unit out of the machine. Step 3. Insert the new brewing unit. Slide the new brewing unit into the place of the old one and click it firmly in place. Then close the flap. Step 4. Put the water tank back. Slide the tank back into its position. You have replaced the brewing unit, and the coffee machine is ready to use again.